As the saying goes, you cannot enjoy your wealth if you cannot enjoy your health. Public health is paramount, though healthcare availability is still scarce in many regions. Peter Brower had his vision to take healthcare into every individual's home, and his incessant efforts gave birth to Woven Connect. The Woven Connect mobile app, a significant part of this initiative, is built by Dash Technologies. The app supports the care providers maintain patients' health records and allows Woven Home Care teammates to provide evidence-based advice to patients. His idea to build a healthcare application and our effort to develop the best application while aligning with his business interests was well paid off. If you have similar idea or want to build a healthcare application for any niche, we are champions working towards a goal and we take your initiatives very seriously. Let's connect today.